Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where today I'm going to be making a pizza. This time a mango pizza, but a spicy mango pizza. So I've just got my pizza dough resting over there, proving at the moment, but I might make my sauce while I'm waiting for that. And you've probably seen this before. It's a very simple sauce. I'm a creature of habit when it comes to this. I just use one small tomato. Bear in mind this is just making enough for my small pizza. Same with my dough recipe. So yeah, one small tomato, a good couple of tablespoons of tomato paste, about 4 cloves of garlic, a big handful of fresh basil leaves, and just a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. In they go. To help amalgamate all that, I'll just drizzle in a little bit of olive oil. Alrighty guys, so I've got my pizza base here ready to go. Look, I didn't go through the whole process of showing making that. I've done that a few times before. I'll put a link to my last video, which is when I made that lobster pizza, and I went through it again. But basically this is a very simple dough recipe, and it's just enough. I like a thin and crispy sort of style pizza. Like I say, it's very simple. I'll put the recipe up as well. So that sauce I made before, I'm just going to get some of that onto there and spread it around. It's quite chunky, rustic looking. Alrighty, now so today for my pizza I'm going to be using just some mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to put a little layer on now. Probably put a little bit more on to finish her off. Now obviously I've already advertised this as a mango pizza, so I'm going to get some mango slices onto that. Now where I live in Queensland at the moment, I couldn't find any fresh mangoes. Surprisingly enough, considering I'm in Queensland, but yeah, they're out of season. But that's no worries at all, because I do have a tin here of mango slices. I've just drained the syrup off it, but of course there's still a bit of syrup on there, and I don't actually mind that because it just sort of means we'll get a little bit more caramelization. And just carefully place. Alright, now to complete this sort of, I'd say, slightly unusual pizza, I may as well go whole hog and make it really unusual. I've actually ended up with some of these KFC little chicken popcorn pieces. I thought, why not just dot some of them around as well? I use them all up. Get close. I think that's enough anyway. I've got some hot chili flakes onto our pizza, especially on those mango slices. And they are pretty spicy. And just another little layer of cheese. And that'll do me. So I'm just preheating my oven to as hot as it goes, which is on mine's about 250 degrees Celsius. I'm going to whack that in just for 7 or 8 minutes probably, until it starts, cooks this base and melts our cheese and warms up our toppings. I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so as you saw, I pulled my spicy mango and now popcorn chicken pizza out of the oven. So let's have a look, see what it looks like. I'm just going to try a bit. Yum, oh, yum. Alright, I'm here to report that is a very, very nice pizza, even if I do say so myself. It's nice and sweet, obviously, with those mango pieces that have been in syrup. But man, those chili flakes counteract it. The sauce is beautiful, garlicky, tomatoey, just what you expect, and a nice little pop of chicken with the flavours we all sort of, well, not all, but a lot of people are quite familiar with that, and it really goes well with the mango and the chili, I have to say. So thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel. Really appreciate you watching this one. Hope you give it a try. It's really, really good, I assure you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, can I just ask you hit that subscription button? That would be fantastic. Doesn't cost you anything, no obligation on your part. It just helps my channel out no end. It's really, yeah, it's really good for me. So yeah, I'm just asking if you can help out. But if you don't want to, no worries. I totally understand. And I will see you all next time.